welcome to Fun Sock Creations. We're gonna make a sock snowman today.
You'll need the following supplies. Head on over to funsockcity.com for all your sock needs, including the ones you'll need for this project.
Hi, I'm still here. Those were just my two girls who are helping me with this project. My name's Anne, and today, like they said, we're making sock snowmen. I've got a link to the free pattern in the description down below, and that also includes a carrot nose template if you'd like that, but also it's really simple, just cut a triangle out of orange felt. Simple as can be. I made this video because I know there's a lot of unique educating going on right now, a lot of schooling from home, and some people have done homeschooling for a long time already and they're used to that, but some people are totally new to this, and some teachers are trying to work with their students at home. So I just thought this would be fun to put out there for a fun little craft for parents or teachers to do with their students. I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing we're going to do, girls, is we're going to cut this top part off above the hill, about right where?
Right here.
Yeah, about right there. Do you want to do yours?
So where? Right here.
And you can always make another sock snowman using this piece. Just turn it wrong side out and then rubber band this side and then turn it right side out, and that will act as the bottom. Alright, so now we're going to put a funnel in here. Hold it like that. Help your child pour it into there. And this is just going to act as a weight to weigh it down. And you don't have to do it, but it'll just help it stand up. And that's all we want to put in there. Alright, let's do the same for you. And then you can start stuffing it. And we're just going to stuff these all the way up to the hill. And you guys might need to share stuffing.
To this?
Good job. That's the heel. And we're going to stuff it really full.
Have it actually just stand up.
Yeah. Push it down really hard and make sure that if you use the weight, make sure that's always at the bottom so it'll keep staying up. And you can use anything for this filler. You could use corn, you could use beans, rice. These are lentils.
Mom, is that good enough?
Yeah, probably. Can I see? Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, now you're gonna rubber band above that stuffing. Yeah, I think that's great.
It's buttons.
Do you want any more in there, or are you good? Okay. So you need to have about this much sticking up above
This
it.
much?
So do you need any help, you little miss?
Mom, is that good enough?
That's probably great, yeah. And then we're gonna actually fold it over like this. Can you fold it over like that?
Is that good?
Yeah, I think that's great.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's great. Okay. Now we're gonna take our ribbon. Who wanted the blue one?
Me.
You both did? Okay. There's also, we have red and we have...
I'll take the red.
Okay, you want red? Okay. If you're using a really wide ribbon, you'll want to just fold it in half and then maybe even in half again. And then we're going to just create his neck. And if you need help, let me know. So you'd probably be fine with 10 inches of ribbon. And then I'm just doing a square knot right here. And then we're gonna cut off the extra ribbon, okay?
Okay.
You wanna do yours?
How many close?
Oh, I'm sorry, honey.
Is this different?
I'm gonna put my knot on the side right here. I'm gonna leave it on the side, kind of. So I'll put his face right here.
So, I want to do that.
Okay.
Like this.
Great. You can leave it right in the front if you want, or turn it to the side. Take your buttons And your eyes.
I'm gonna do my eyes first. I'm gonna do my eyes first.
And we're showing you that you can use colorful buttons, you can use black buttons. I'm actually gonna use pom-poms for my buttons. And so you can do it all kinds of different ways. You could use felt. So I'm putting just a little dab of glue right on there. And I'm gonna lay him on his back so that gravity can help hold everything in place. Yeah, you don't want to use a lot, just a little dab. If you wanted to do arms, you could use pipe cleaners, you could actually use real sticks, you could use felt. I just didn't feel like they would stay very well. All right, now we've got some noses, some carrot noses. So we're gonna use puff paint for our smile. You could always just use permanent marker, you could use fabric markers, you could use yarn, black yarn. Just get creative with what you have around. So I'm just gonna put a little smile on mine. You could do it in little dots, kind of like the traditional coal mouth. I think that's what I'm gonna do for this one. You guys wanna do dots or should we do just a smile?
I want to do a smile. I want to do dots myself.
Okay, that's fine. You can do whatever you want.
Wait, actually, I want to do dots. We're all doing the same.
Yeah, no snowman is ever perfect, huh? Let me see. Let me see, cutie. Oh, that's so cute. Turn it to the camera.
Hello.
And then glue the pom-pom on top of the hat. I think it's so cute. Can we show the camera? So she's worried because hers aren't perfect, but what I want you to remember is coal is always different sizes. There's none of them are exactly the same. And so it's okay if they're different, right? Oh, cute final product.
First, you need your lace up.
That's right.
Then you cut it, sew it, do all that stuff. Like so and so.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure and check out the video over there. Or you can check out this video right here. YouTube has found a video that they think you would like. Thanks so much for joining us and see you next time.
Can you do another one, Mom?